Changing the notification sound on Android is easy, but the exact steps can look a little different depending on your phone brand and Android version. Some Android devices also support custom notification sounds, while others only allow the default tones. So in this video, I'll show you how to change the notification sound on any Android phone. First, open the app drawer on your Android phone and tap the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap Sound and Vibration, or Sounds, depending on your device. Now scroll until you find Notification Sound or Default Notification Sound. The name may vary slightly across Android phones. Tap Notification Sound. Here, you'll see the list of available notification tones on your device. Select the sound you want to use and tap Save or OK at the top right. On some Android phones, you may also see an option to add a custom notification sound from your files. Once you select the sound, it's automatically applied. That's it. You've successfully changed the notification sound on your Android phone. If you want to customize notification sounds for specific apps or contacts, check out my other Android tips videos.